What is cell? A cell is defined as the smallest, basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life's processes. What is tissue? A group of cells that are similar in structure and or work together to achieve a particular function forms a tissue. Question 8. Which of the following is not a type of plant tissue? A. Epithelial tissue. B. Meristematic tissue. C. Permanent tissue. D. Vascular tissue. Answer. A. Epithelial tissue. Question. Though the tissue responsible for providing support and mechanical strength to plants is A. Epithelial tissue. B. Meristematic tissue. C. Connective tissue. D. Parenchyma tissue. Answer. D. Parenchyma tissue. Question 13. Which of the following is not a type of animal tissue? A. Epithelial tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Muscular tissue. D. Vascular tissue. Answer. D. Vascular tissue. Question 4. The tissue responsible for transmitting electrical impulses in the human body is A. Epithelial tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Muscular tissue. D. Connective tissue. Answer. B. Nervous tissue. Question 5. The tissue responsible for the movement of the body and its parts is A. Epithelial tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Muscular tissue. D. Connective tissue. Answer. C. Muscular tissue. Question 6. The tissue responsible for covering the body surfaces and lining body cavities is A. Epithelial tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Muscular tissue. D. Connective tissue. Answer. A. Epithelial tissue. Question 7. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of meristematic tissue? A. Cells with large vacuoles. B. Presence of intercellular spaces. C. Rapid cell division. D. Highly specialized cells. Answer. C. Rapid cell division. Question 8. Xylem and phloem are types of A. Epithelial tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Muscular tissue. D. Plant tissues. Answer. D. Plant tissues. Question. No. Cartilage is an example of which type of tissue? A. Epithelial tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Connective tissue. D. Muscular tissue. Answer. C. Connective tissue. Question. Thus, the tissue responsible for providing insulation and storing energy in animals is A. Adipose tissue. B. Nervous tissue. C. Blood tissue. D. Muscle tissue. Answer. A. Adipose tissue. Question 11. What material comprises the husk of a coconut? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Sclerenchyma. D. Parenchyma. Answer. C. Sclerenchyma. Question 12. What is the condition of cells in sclerenchymal tissue? A. Alive. B. Dead. C. Both alive and dead. D. Sometimes dead or sometimes alive. Answer. B. Dead. Question 13. Which cell type primarily protects against water loss? A. Epidermis. B. Guard cell. C. Cutin. D. Stomata. Answer. A. Epidermis. Question 14. What is the typical configuration of cells in the epidermis? A. A thick layer of cells. B. A double layer of cells. C. A light layer of cells. D. A single layer of cells. Answer. D. A single layer of cells. Question 15. In certain plants like desert species, what substance coats the epidermis with a thick waxy layer? A. Suberin. B. Cutin. C. Lignin. D. Safranin. Answer. B. Cutin. Question 16. What causes the thickening of walls in the husk of a coconut? A. Cutin. B. Suberin. C. Lignin. D. Safranin. Answer. C. Lignin. Question 17. Which of the following is not a type of plant tissue? A. Epidermis. B. Xylem. C. Stroma. D. Parenchyma. Answer. C. Stroma. Question 18. What is the mere function of parenchyma tissue? A. Support. B. Nutrient storage. C. Conduction of water and nutrients. D. Photosynthesis. Answer. A. Support. Question 19. What is the primary component of phloem tissue? A. Vessels. B. Sieve tubes. C. Tracheids. D. Parenchyma cells. Answer. B. Sieve tubes. Question. Bees. What is the function of meristematic tissue in plants? A. Photosynthesis. B. Growth and repair. C. Water and nutrient transport. D. Storage of carbohydrates. Answer B. Growth and repair.